Stop open banking apps on your Android until you change these 3 security and privacy settings. Right now, some apps on your phone can read the verification code your bank just texted you. Before you even see it, that might be risky for you. Let me show you a complete method to protect you from hackers and malware softwares. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Then, scroll down and tap on More Privacy Settings. Here select Permission Manager. Scroll down and tap SMS. On top right corner, click on 3 dots. Tap Show System. Look at that list. Every app you've let read your text messages. You can see all type of apps including Play Store, Cloud, System apps and many other applications that can read your bank OTP or codes. They have permission to read the same text your bank sends you. The question is simple. Does these apps have a real reason to read your texts? My messaging app? Yes. My phone? Yes. WhatsApp uses your text to verify your number. Fine. But Play Store, Bluetooth, Quick Share, no reason at all. Tap these app that has no reason to read codes and tap Don't Allow. Go through each app and remove the permission one by one. Second setting is also a backdoor that doesn't even need text permission. Go to Settings. Scroll down. And tap Google. Here tap All Services. Look under Autofill and Passwords. Here tap Verification Codes by SMS. Turn it off because while it's on, your codes get auto-detected and handed to apps in the background automatically. Last one is more dangerous than all. An app can skip your text entirely and just read the notification pop-up your code appears in. Go to Settings. Scroll down. And tap Apps. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap Special Access. Here tap Notification Access. Turn off every app you don't recognize because anything on that list reads every notification you get, including the code that protects your bank account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more security and privacy settings.